Okay guys, I have a recipe for last minute turkey for you. If you have hour and a half before you have a party, you probably can do it if you have all the ingredients. So I have other video when we have all the marination going there, but sometimes people call me, it's like, hey, it's Thanksgiving Day, what can I do with my turkey? So you can do this if you follow step by step. I have a 17.5 pound turkey. It's thawed. Make sure there is no ice in it. Make sure that it's room temperature, dry. I already put it. I usually use ropes to tie it up, everything, to make it stay in. You don't want wings flying everywhere. They're going to burn. You don't want legs flying everywhere. They're going to burn too. So here is the ingredients. I got 2 sticks of butter. I got them melted. I got this measuring cup. It's about 1/4 cup. There is lemon going in there. And also, you can use regular, but if you have this olive oil with garlic to give some flavor, we're gonna add that. And Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna use approximately 3 tablespoons or so. That's approximate, so you don't have to be exact. So guys, don't sweat. We have also garlic salt, and I used salted butter, but I want a little bit more salt. So garlic salt, about 3 teaspoons. We're going to use a little bit of rosemary, dry deal. So it's going to, maybe, it's going to be hard to get it through our needle, but then we got all this. Let's mix this. All right, now blend all this together like this, so it goes through your needle. If you have your fryer, you probably have this needle here. Fill that up. As usual, 1 shot in a leg. One in a tie. And I do usually about 6 times in the breast area. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. All right, preheat your oil, turn it off, and have mercy on your concrete. Put some kind of cardboard, it may go. When you lower this, do very slow, in and out. Your oil should be 350. I do a little bit more, like 365, because when you lower turkey, it drops, temperature drops down, and you cook in about 3 minutes per pound. You can cook a couple minutes extra. So if your turkey is about 15 pounds, you cook for about 45 minutes or so. If it's a little more, you can calculate it, but I would suggest don't get turkey more than 18 pounds. Mine is like 17.5, so 18 would be the biggest I would cook. If it's bigger than that, you can separate dark meat from white meat and cook it all together. We'll see you in about 45 minutes. We have about 10 minutes left. We'll pull it out and check the temperature. Okay. We got time is up. We're gonna check the temperature. Here's our turkey. We'll let this oil drain a little bit. All right, let's check. So you want to be 65 in the thickest area, which is usually between thigh and breast. It looks like it's cooked. Let's check right here. Definitely cooked. All right, we're gonna let this turkey rest. I suggest you let it rest 30 minutes to an hour and then carve it.